Hey, welcome back to the channel. If you love shopping on Amazon, you're going to want to watch this video until the end. Today, I'll show you a simple and legit way to get free Amazon gift cards. No surveys, no credit card, and no complicated steps. This method is safe, works worldwide, and only takes a few minutes. Let's get started. First, let me show you proof that this actually works. I have a gift card code that I got using this method. I'll go to my Amazon account, click on Redeem a Gift Card, enter the code, and there you go. My balance just increased by $100 instantly. Now I'll walk you through the exact steps so you can do this yourself. Open your browser and go to fundzap.com. This site offers digital gift cards that you can unlock by completing simple tasks. It's completely legit, and I've personally used it multiple times. Search for Amazon gift cards. Once you're on the site, use the search bar to find Amazon gift cards. Right now, I see both $50 and $100 gift cards available. These are limited, so if you see them in stock, don't wait too long to claim yours. Complete 2 quick tasks. To unlock your gift card, you need to complete 2 simple offers. These could involve installing an app, watching a short video, or trying out a free trial. Everything is completely safe and comes from official sources like the App Store and Google Play. Let's do it together. I'll pick one task that requires me to reach a certain level in a game and another that just asks me to open an app and sign in. Both are super easy and won't take long. I'll install them now. Reveal your gift card code now that I've completed both tasks. I'll return to Funds app, refresh the page, and click on Show Gift Card Code. And there it is. My 15-digit Amazon gift card code is now fully visible. Redeem your free Amazon gift card. Just copy and paste the code into Amazon's Redeem a Gift Card section, and your balance will update instantly. That's it. No waiting, no hassle. Just free Amazon credit ready to use. And we're done. This method is quick, simple, and works for anyone. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more easy money-saving tips. Have any questions? Drop them in the comments. I'll be answering as many as I can. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.